God, I feel so awkward in this shirt. Oh. Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. So guys, this is my 20k subscriber mark video, guys. I finally made it to 20,000 and that was definitely not possible if you guys weren't showing me love as much as you do. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for giving me a thumbs up, for subscribing, for dropping me a comment, anything that you guys have ever done for me to get to this point. Like, it's crazy. I'm just at 20k. I know we have a lot further to go, but I just want to tell you guys thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate all the love that you guys show me on the daily every time I put out a video. Yeah, I just love you guys. So the fact that I got to this mark, I am unable to do a giveaway right now simply because I'm trying to set some things in place. So a giveaway is coming, guys, but it won't be for the 20k, probably 25 or 30k. All right, so I did these Bantu knots yesterday. I did record a tutorial. You guys will see the link on the screen, and you can also check the description bar down below, of course. And I'm ready to take them out today, but I really wanted to do it on camera, so I'm just gonna take these out while I get ready to tell you guys, you know, what I have to tell you guys. So I'm just gonna put some of this aloe moisturize and shine serum thing. I'm gonna put some of this on my hand to reduce the frizz. Not a lot, because I hate having a lot of oil in my hair. So let me just pull them out. Okay, it's hard sleeping on Bantu knots, guys. Like, these are just in for like one night, just a couple hours. So I don't really expect them to be like really set or anything like that, but I just wanted to see how it would come out. Oh, are all of them out? Alright, I don't want my hair to be too big at this point. I'm just going to, yeah, not a lot of definition, but that's fine. Like, I wasn't expecting anything too tough from this because I didn't really use like any setting product or anything like that. So it's very shiny though and very soft. Oh, and it smells so good, guys. That wax thing that I use smells amazing. Oh God, my scalp feels so good. Alright guys, so I did just do a little bit of fluffing, not a lot. My roots are very lifted, so I don't have to do a lot of fluffing, but it came out okay. Like, I could definitely go on the road with this. I love how it came out. Not too defined, but that's because I didn't really use a lot of product. But I really love it like this. I love it like this. Yeah. Alright guys, now that my hair is out of the Bantu knots, let me tell you guys what I have to tell you. Alright, first of all, I already told you guys thank you so much for the 20k. I really wanted to just express my gratitude at this point to you guys. I know I tell you guys that I love you in like every video, but literally, like, I really appreciate you guys for all the love and support you give me. Alright, so my love, no? Yeah, that's a number one. Secondly, in my video talking about how YouTube ain't shit, that video spilling the truth about YouTube and all of that, I had told you guys that I wanted to do this huge massive collaboration. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about now. I want it to be a makeup collab, but I want it to not be Halloween, even though it is Halloween time. It's just gonna be a regular look. Probably something representing your country or where you're from, because I want it to be very global. It does not matter how many subscribers you have. I really do not care. I just want us to show each other love and get to know more people and just make a bigger family on YouTube and just have more unity. Alright, all I want to do is just bring us all together. So it doesn't really matter how many subscribers you have. Doesn't matter, mama. We're gonna do this collab and we're going to make it huge. But what I want you guys to do right now is follow me on my Snapchat at NaturallyMsToya. Follow me there. Right there, you guys, I will do every announcement as it relates to the collab, what I want the collab to be about, just basically all the updates related to the collab. All right, so just go ahead, follow my Snapchat and also my Instagram. I want to do it for the end of October, probably last week in October, scene. So I need all you guys to shoot me an email at naturallymstoya@gmail.com. All of my info will be down below in the description bar, so follow me on all the social media sites for all the updates. So we're gonna do this collab, we're gonna make it huge. We're gonna show people that you can show love and not dim your shine. It does not matter. I started out with like literally 0 subscribers like everybody else. I mean, I'm not at the point where I want to be, but I'm grateful for where I am, and because of that, I want to do this huge collaboration. Right, so that is announcement number 2. Thirdly, guys, to mark my 20k, I was gonna do this last week. and then I totally changed my mind because I'm like, I'm almost at 20,000. Why not just wait until I'm at 20,000, yo? So what I'll be doing is calling my subscribers. All right, so what I want you guys to do right now, go on my Instagram at NaturallyMsToya. Go on my Instagram, send me a DM with your number and the name that you use on YouTube. Yo, I'm expecting all my notification gang, all of my loyal subs, them will comment on every single video I put out. I'm expecting you guys to do this right now because I just really want to call you guys up and be like, yo mama, yeah. I want to call you guys. Shoot me a DM, slide in my DM right now. Zine, send me your, oh, the mosquito, yeah, kill me. Send me your name as well as the YouTube name that you use so that I'll know, you know, because based on the comments and all that, I know, you know, what your YouTube name is, and I'll know, okay, this is this person. So send me your YouTube name, your phone number. Doesn't matter what country you're in, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna tap up my phone and I'm going to be calling all of you guys, all right? And I'm going to be filming it. So that is what I'm going to be doing for my 20K mark video, guys. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be calling you guys, showing you love again. I do follow people back on Snapchat, so if you're not already following me on Snap, go ahead and follow me. I'll follow back. As long as you guys request for me to follow back, I'll do that. As long as your Snap is interesting though, please, as long as your Snap is interesting, I'll follow you back, no doubt. But yeah guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to come on here, take my Bantu knots out and tell you guys those 3 things, alright? Thank you guys so much. The huge worldwide collaboration is coming. We're gonna make this video fun, guys. We're going to make it fun, we're going to make it epic. I want to call you guys up, so it doesn't matter what country you're in, send me a number. I will call you. I will call you. I'm gonna be like, yo, this is Toya from YouTube. It's gonna be epic, guys. It's going to be epic. So slide in my DM with your number. If you're unable to send me a DM, if you don't have an Instagram, you can go ahead and send me an email with your number in it, alright? And yeah, let's be friends, guys. Let's show each other love. I'm always looking to encourage other people on their journey, as well as persons who, you know, you're dating to and you want support to. If you guys to show me love, I want to show you guys love back, alright? So that is me doing this. Drop me a comment down below in this video right now. Of course, say anything you want. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Comment love on it too. Yeah guys, that's just it. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.